Top 10 Mind-blowing artificial intelligence tools. You need to use now. There are many amazing artificial intelligence tools that you can use to enhance your creativity, productivity, and entertainment. Here are some of the top 10 mind-blowing AI tools that you need to see now. 1. Descript. This tool allows you to convert any text into an audio file with realistic voices and emotions. You can also edit the audio by editing the text, add sound effects, and mix different voices. 2. DID. This tool generates AI presenters for any video, making it easier than ever to create professional-looking content. You can upload your own video or choose from a library of templates, and then select an AI presenter that matches your style and tone. 3. Voice AI. This tool can change your voice with just a few clicks. You can choose from a variety of voice effects such as gender, age, accent, emotion, and more. You can also create your own custom voice by adjusting the pitch, speed, and tone. 4. Video BG Remover. This tool allows you to replace any video background with a new one. You can upload your own video or use a sample video, and then select a background from a gallery of images or videos. You can also adjust the transparency, blur, and brightness of the background. 5. Adobe Podcast. This tool removes all noise from audio, resulting in crisp and clear sound. You can upload your own audio or record it directly on the website and then apply noise reduction, speech enhancement, and audio leveling. You can also export the audio in different formats and quality levels. 6. ChatGPT. This tool is an AI-powered chatbot that can answer any of your questions, making it the perfect tool for those looking for quick answers. You can type in any query or topic, and the chatbot will respond with relevant information, links, images, and more. You can also chat with the chatbot about anything you want, such as hobbies, jokes, or trivia. 7. Cleanup. Pictures. This tool allows you to remove unwanted objects from your photos or videos. You can upload your own photo or video or use a sample one and then select the object you want to remove. The tool will automatically erase the object and fill in the gap with realistic details. 8. Runway. This tool allows you to remove unwanted objects from your videos or create new ones with AI. You can upload your own video or use a sample one, and then select the object you want to remove or add. The tool will automatically edit the video and generate realistic results. You can also apply various filters, effects, and transitions to your video. 9. Midjourney. This tool allows you to convert your text into AI art or high-quality videos. You can type in any text or choose from a library of templates and then select an AI art style or video theme that matches your text. The tool will automatically create an artistic image or video based on your text. You can also customize the image or video by changing the colors, fonts, music, and more. 10. Pictory AI. This tool allows you to convert your text into high-quality videos with AI narrators and animations. You can type in any text or choose from a library of templates, and then select an AI narrator that matches your text. The tool will automatically create a video based on your text, with voiceover, animations, images, music, and more. You can also edit the video by changing the narrator, animations, images, music, and more. These are just some of the amazing AI tools that you can use to unleash your creativity and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this list and found it useful.